Today we're going to be taking a look at our AmplifyELA platform, which houses our curriculum for the school year. When you log in as students, this is the page that you are going to see. It shows your grade level and it shows all of the units that we are going to go over this school year. Our units are not numbered, but they are in alphabetical order. So instead of having Unit 1, we'll have Unit A, which is going to be our first unit. Whenever you click on the unit, you are brought to a page that shows you several subunits. The prefix sub means part of. So these subunits are smaller parts of the bigger unit that we're going to be learning. Amplify really likes to chunk up our work. Makes it easier for us to get it done. For an example of what the subunits look like and what is inside the subunits, we're going to click Subunit 2, Get Started. Inside the subunits, there are several lessons. Each subunit might take a couple of days or weeks to finish. We have in subunit 2 for our first unit, Red Scarf Girl and Narrative, 12 different lessons. So that's going to take us about 2 weeks. When you click on a lesson, it breaks down the different activities that you're going to do for that day. As you can see, it also shows you an overview of what you're going to be learning, the words that you need to know, and some suggested reading that you can do if you finish early and you want to learn more about the topic. You can also take a look at the materials that you're going to be looking at ahead of time. When you're in the lesson view, there's separate sections. Kind of like when we are in person and we had our Ignite, and then we would move into a direct lesson, and then you and your peers would practice together. That is a separated sequence just like this one. So with Amplify, you have different activities that you're going to do in order. Along with the units and the lessons, Amplify also hosts some fun games that go along with our text that we're going to be reading, and it houses a library. As you can see, once I clicked on this navigation bar over here, I was able to see some tools, like I mentioned before, the library, where you can check out any book that you want. This platform has so many ebooks already on it that you don't have to pay for. And it also shows you this tab right here, My Work. That's going to show you what has been assigned to you and what you need to complete. We also have the ELA apps. These are the fun games that I was talking about, the ones that go along with the text that we're reading. So you can see that there are multiple different apps that we're going to be using throughout this school year. We'll be going over more in depth how to use AmplifyELA in the next week whenever we actually start using the platform, but I hope that this gave you some sort of idea of what we're going to be doing this school year.